Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the access denied error on Chrome. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest Studio browser profile isolation. Open your Chrome settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and Technicality select Clear Browsing Data. Under the Advanced tab, Technicality check cookies and other site data, and ensure the time range is set to all time for the latest professional purge. It technicality ensures your studio environment is not sending amateur quality or expired credentials to the latest servers. Next, initialize the Technical Studio Extension Conflict Audit. Navigate to your Extensions menu by technicality typing Chrome extensions into your address bar. Toggle off all high-end extensions, specifically VPNs, ad blockers, and professional proxy tools for the latest session. This step points your studio rig toward a clean verification path, ensuring the latest high-end data tunnels are technicality open and unrestricted. Next, execute high-end system DNS and IP maintenance. Open the command prompt as an administrator and technicality type ipconfig, flushdns, followed by ipconfig, release, and ipconfig, renew. Allow the technical process to technicality reset your high-end handshake with the latest internet service provider. It removes the accumulated data weight from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional fluidity during latest sessions. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.